I'm an area manager for Brockwell Forestry.
I am the operations director.
I'm a tree cutter, tree climber.
Brockwell's Forestry is basically our utility tree surgeons
We clear power lines, we remove the trees, we manage the trees.
on all of EDF's electrical systems.
We're over the district of Surrey, Sussex and Kent.
EDF is Electricité de France, it's actually EDF Energy. It's an English subsidiary of a French electricity company.
The company itself has been running for 12 years now, and we just specialise in power line clearance.
Once a week we'll be doing a job this big.
We do a good job and been doing it for a long time.
What we're doing here today is we're re-establishing a right of way through this wood so that we've got a corridor that we can maintain so that the vegetation and the trees don't infringe the safety zones on the conductors. It's a family-run business, and the investment into the company is a lot more than most companies would. It's more about investment than it is profits.
If we didn't have like, the family and the good guys, it wouldn't work. You know, we'd just be another company clearing power lines. But I think because the blend of people, machinery and expertise, it makes us as good as we are.
Brockwell's Forestry has got a much better skill base than most companies in this business, and the investment in equipment and machinery alone sets us apart from most other contractors.
Well, we're using new techniques that nobody else before has used. These are mainly the tractors. Nobody seems to be using tractors, and basically we're doing it at a much quicker rate than everybody else.
You know, we're innovative, that's the thing. You know, we see a bit of machinery, we use it. We buy it, we use it, as we proved today. If we didn't have a good team behind us, we wouldn't be able to do the job.
Everybody works together. The better we work together, the quicker we do the work.
It's a question of like, taking several guys and their abilities and knitting them together.
You get to know people and know what skills they have, and part of the secret is getting people that are compatible to work together. Everybody's got their role to play, and if you can place the people in the right situations, then you get a good team. The main danger on a project like this is obviously the power, so safety distances have to be maintained.
The electricity wires that we're working on are 132 kilovolts, which basically you touch them, you're dead.
You've got to make sure that you don't get any unauthorised person walking onto the sites.
There's several things you've got to watch out for. You know, we've got the environmental conditions, we've got people walking about, we've got the power line itself, you know, a whole range of things.
So safety is a big part of it.
We're making things safe, we're keeping continuity of supply for the good people of the South East. So
there's great satisfaction in the job, knowing that you've got the clearance you set out to do.
There's nothing better. You know, when you see you pop and job, you've got big trees in the way, things in lines, and you go and there's nothing, ground zero. It's great.
You know that you haven't got to visit that site for a number of years, and you can put that in the back of your mind and go on to the next site with the same sort of enthusiasm.
You go there in the morning, you got a bit of a leap in your step in the morning. You go to work, you do a job, nice people, meet nice people, lovely part of the world. It's all good.
It is a very rewarding job.
If we've put a lot of effort in, it feels really good. We can look down on just behind me, we can look down on that and we can think, we've just done it in a day. That's fantastic. Nothing better.